Първото нещо, което съм ви приготвил е да ви върна малко назад и да ви, ако помните, брилянтния английски на Христо Стоичков, а след това и евродепутата Николай Бареков, които така направиха една емблематично говорене.
Показно.
Забравя ли се това нещо?
Не случайно го пускаш, защото искаш да добавиш нов член на групата.
Да, имаме нов член в този клуб на добре говорещите.
Да видим традиционните първо.
Припомням ви първо тях двамата и ще ви покажа новия член.
Listen, this is part of soccer. I'm very, very confident that my players. So it's the same game that last year.
Today we listen 1, 2, 3 voice from Iran opposition. MKO have a very difficult ice many years ago.
Колегите казват и Валери Божинов.
Няма край.
Има много, да. Новият член в този клуб е Наталия Кобилкина, сексолога, която прави обращение към своите фенове и уимани.
Hello, dear women. Hello, my friends. Very often you ask me how I can to be successful women in my relationship. I am very successful in my business, but when I met with men, all time have some troubles. Because strategy which help you in business you need to be tough, very target, know what you want, aims. It's completely can to kill your relationship. Which quality necessary for women in relationship? Of course, the first to be lonely, to be gentle, to be soft, to be good with men, to love men, general love men. Not say it's idiots man, it's he not do nothing. Women all time complain. Two things which want one man from women. The first, to love him. The second, to be happy with him. If men see that he can to satisfy her needs, then feel very good with her. If he never not enough for you, he will be find other women. Show him then you need in him, then you love him, and that exactly this man can to satisfy your needs. Be happy. Bye bye.